Hey, welcome to Smart Money Finance. Want to make 2025 the year you finally build a side hustle that works? This isn't your typical start a blog or sell print-on-demand t-shirts video. I'm giving you 5 practical and innovative side hustles for 2025 that most people don't know about yet. These are based on cutting-edge trends, growing industries, and real-world data. And guess what? You don't need a lot of money, fancy skills, or a ton of time to start. Stay till the end, because the last one is a total game changer. Literally. Oh, and if you're ready to make money in 2025, hit the like button and subscribe for more actionable tips. Let's go. Number 1. AI Prompt Engineering Services. You've heard about ChatGPT and AI tools taking over, right? But did you know you can make a solid income just by being a prompt engineer? AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Jasper need the right prompts to perform well. Companies, content creators, and even small businesses are now paying people to craft perfect AI prompts to save them time and boost productivity. Here's how to start. 1. Learn the basics. Research how prompts work for tools like ChatGPT, e.g., creating detailed writing prompts, and image generation tools like Midjourney. Practice writing prompts for real-world applications, like creating marketing emails or generating content outlines. 2. Build a portfolio. Offer free or low-cost services to create AI-driven content for small businesses. Use platforms like PromptBase to sell your AI prompt templates. 3. Market your services. Promote your expertise on LinkedIn or freelance platforms like Fiverr. Specialize in niches like marketing, customer support, or design prompts to stand out. Here's the income potential. Beginners can charge $20 to $50 per prompt set. Experienced prompt engineers are earning $1,000 plus per project. 2. Short-form video editing for creators. With TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts dominating social media, content creators are desperate for skilled short-form video editors. And you don't need a film degree to get started, just creativity and a smartphone. Here's how to start. 1. Learn basic editing tools. Start with free or beginner-friendly software like CapCut, VN Editor, or DaVinci Resolve. Watch YouTube tutorials to master trending transitions and effects. 2. Niche down. Focus on specific niches, like fitness influencers, food vloggers, or travel creators. Offer vertical video repurposing, converting YouTube videos into Instagram Reels or TikToks. 3. Market your skills. Reach out to small creators on Instagram or TikTok with less than 100,000 followers. Many of them want help but can't afford big agencies. Showcase before and after edits on your portfolio or TikTok channel. Income potential. $50 to $150 per video for beginners. High-end editors make $500 plus per project by offering bulk packages or advanced services like motion graphics. 3. Sustainability consulting for small businesses. Sustainability is no longer optional. It's a priority for businesses in 2025. And guess what? They're willing to pay consultants to help them reduce waste, save energy, and market themselves as eco-friendly. Here's how to start. 1. Learn sustainability basics. Take online courses on Udemy or Coursera about sustainable practices. Study local laws and eco-certifications relevant to your area. 2. Target local businesses. Start with coffee shops, small retailers, or local gyms. Offer a free audit of their waste or energy use to pitch your services. Suggest practical solutions, like reducing plastic use, optimizing energy-efficient appliances, or sourcing eco-friendly packaging. Offer simple packages. Examples: energy-saving tips for $100, a full sustainability audit for $500, or a complete green marketing plan for $1,000. Income potential. Beginners can earn $500 to $2,000 per project depending on their scope of work. For digital product creation with AI. In 2025, digital products are in higher demand than ever, but here's the twist. AI tools can help you create these products faster than you ever imagined. Examples of digital products to create. 1. Ebooks. Use ChatGPT to write a book on trending topics like mindfulness, fitness, or side hustles. 2. Notion templates. Design productivity dashboards using Notion and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. 3. AI art collections. Use tools like Midjourney to create unique digital art pieces for sale. Here's how to start. 1. Find a profitable niche. Research trending topics on Etsy or Gumroad. 2. Use AI for speed, ChatGPT for content, Canva for visuals, and Midjourney for designs. 3. Market and sell. Use platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even social media ads to promote your products. Income potential. Successful sellers are earning $1,000 to $10,000 per month in passive income. 5. Renting out AI-powered tools. This one's super innovative. You can rent out AI-powered tools or services to businesses or individuals who don't have the budget to buy their own subscriptions. Here's how it works. 1. Buy AI tool subscriptions. Invest in popular tools like Jasper AI, Descript, or DID AI for video generation. 2. Offer rental services. Charge clients for access to your tools on a per-project or hourly basis. For example, offer video scripts written by Jasper or AI-generated explainer videos using DID. 3. Market to non-tech savvy users. Small businesses, solopreneurs, and freelancers are your ideal clients. Pro tip: create tutorial videos to attract customers who don't understand how to use these tools themselves. Income potential. Easily charge $50 to $200 per project, depending on the tool and complexity of the task. There you have it. 5 brand new side hustles for 2025 that are innovative, practical, and full of potential. From freelancing with AI to sustainability consulting, there's something for everyone to start today. Which one caught your eye? Comment below and let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more tips to level up your income this year. Remember, the sooner you start, the closer you are to financial freedom. See you in the next one.